District Educational Office, Mahbubabad, Digital Lessons by Brahmam Tadkamalla, School Assistant English, ZPHS Jamalapalli, Mahbubabad, SSC 2020-21 Batch English, Dizzy and Conversation for PPT of Unit 1. My dear children, creative writing or discourses part is most important in the examinations. So you will be getting good marks by attempting the discourses. Especially in this unit, we are going to discuss about the conversation. Creative writing, this is the very decisive and crucial part of the paper. You need to focus on this section if you really aspire to score 10 by 10. In this section, 2 questions are asked. You need to write one major discourse and one minor discourse. There is an internal choice in the 28th question, that is writing a major discourse. The following discourses are asked in this paper: story, narrative, conversation, description, drama script or play, interview and choreography. Both the questions will be framed based on the theme of the reading A, B and C of the textbook. So you need to have a complete knowledge of all the themes of the textbook. Every question is framed in such a way that it consists of concept, task and input in the form ideas. Make use of this information and write the major discourses. To secure good marks in this part, focus on the following points. First, you should have the knowledge of all the indicators of discourses. Follow the discourse specific features like sequencing the ideas, using language appropriate to the context, etc. Focus on the language specific features like error-free sentences, correct use of conversation, of writing, use of correct connectors or relative pronouns, etc. The information that you provide should be relevant to the context. Layout should be properly designed. Do not include irrelevant ideas. Begin the discourse on a fresh sheet of your booklet and give suitable heading. You need to write a minor discourse in the 29th question. The minor discourse includes message, notice and diary. For these minor discourses, 1 mark is awarded for correct layout, design or illustrations. The remaining 4 marks are awarded for contextual relevance, error-free sentences and pronunciation, spelling and convincing language. So conversation. Writing dialogues with 5 to 10 exchanges, using proper sequence of exchanges, sustaining the conversation with the social norms, being polite, reflecting relationships, etc. Using discourse markers well, precisely, etc. Using short responses and tags wherever necessary. Using dialogues up to the context. Using appropriate coercive devices, using well-formed constructions, maintaining conventions of writing and spelling, using proper punctuations. My dear children, now I have taken one conversation from our textbook, Unit 1. So here, the conversation between the Nick's mother and Nick. Whenever the Nick approached his mother and conveyed about his problems. Naturally, you will be given some clues here. Based on that clues only, you have to prepare the conversation. Here, Nick wanted to suicide himself because he is facing a lot of problems with uh, with the help of the torso. So he approached the mother and is expressing his views and thoughts in front of her. Now see, when Nick was 8 years old, he went to his mother crying and told her that he wanted to kill himself. Write a possible conversation between Nick and his mother. Nick's mother. What happened, Nick? Why are you crying? Nick. Mom, I have many problems. I don't like to live. Nick's mother. Don't get depressed, dear. We shall be with you. Nick. No, mom. I want to kill myself. Nick's mother. You stupid. Why do you think like that? Nick. I can't imagine my future without limbs. Nick's mother. Don't worry, dear. We are here to look after you. Nick. Mom, I can't do anything without limbs. When you are not with me. Nick's mother. No need to worry, my son. We will be with you. And you can do many things. Nick. Why did the God curse me like this? Everybody teases me at school. I couldn't bear it. Nick's mother. No, dear. Don't blame the God. There might be a purpose behind this. Nick. How is it possible for me to live a normal life? Nick's mother. It is possible, dear. There is nothing impossible in this world. You may have many ways to overcome your disability. Like this, Nick's mother convinced the Nick to think in a positive manner. So, like this, you have to prepare a conversation based on the clues given on the top of the question. So, children, try to attempt and try to write good conversation and make it success in your examinations to secure 10 out of 10 marks in the examinations. Thank you for this opportunity.